Attention, the following video is going to totally kick ass. If you enjoy any of it and or have a large penis, please click the like button below. Enjoy.
I used to do that
And
all
I was
the
like,
time.
I'm not even drunk, I've had like 3 Dr. Peppers!
Shut up and shut up!
You're not being very nice!
Shut up!
Buddy sounds happy.
God!
He's mad or something! Why are you mad, bro?
You're louder than Godzilla!
You're louder than your mom and a Skrilla! I like Skrillex! He's got some good music, he starts going,
I'm peeing Cobra Oh my god!
what is going on? I have no clue what just happened. That's probably the
Oh
coolest
my
looking
god!
I've ever seen in my life. That guy was sitting there like that and he just shot him in the back.
Are you on steroids for crying out loud? Cause it sounds like you're on steroids.
Why are you so mad, bro?
Shut up! How you shut up? Shut up! Shut up!
Oh, you write that? Did you write that? I did a phase death cam, you know.
Shut up, goddammit.
Hey, Death, you need to calm down, you know. I mean, you get the game on the Christmas, you know, you need to calm down. Here, you know,
He's a
I
Christmas dude.
Oh my god, here we go with the Christmas stuff again.
Hey, you know what? I used to take yoga. Please, copy after my words.
Who the hell is this?
I think he likes Christmas. Let's sing him Jingle Bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Yo, website's over. Yo, website, your website, your website. Yo, website, your website, your website. Your website, cosine.
Calm him down. We need a break with him.
Jingle bells, you never say, oh, stupid bitches. So shut up now, or I'll kill you in this game. Hey, so
Oh my god, he should make a real parody of that song.
ho.
Your mom must be asleep.
Calm down. I want to sing a song for you.
Yeah, freaking noobs. That's what y'all are. Y'all noobs. You an extra noob whoever takes yoga.
Calm down. You need to take a yoga, maybe go into some therapy for crying out loud.
He cries out loud, alright.
Did you mute everyone in our team?
Not yet, but I will.
No, I did too. You know, I did. They weren't talking.
I went ahead and did it. He almost
Oh my
got a
God.
collateral.
Ever. I think Creamy Aparo, I think he's going to win the game for us. Look at him. He's such a phase trick. He's a phase trickster, you know. He will jump up with the PDW. Oh my god, he's invisible. He's freaking invisible. Oh my god, we have freaking Obi-Wan. Oh, never mind. Alright. Oh, black coat. Looks like he has a FAL. Oh my god, it's so shiny. I think it gets so real.
I forgot to put on the safety.
He didn't know it was on the single player. He's going to get sniped and I'm gonna rest my butthole.
He's so bad. How'd he get a diamond?
I think that diamond gun gets satellite reception. You know, it's so shiny.
Kill yourself already.
Hey, today, P-Ro, I would like to sing a song for you. I am on the winning team.
Shut up!
We just raped them noobs. They can't handle us. We're too good for this game.
Dickhead, dipshit.
Hey, Definite, hey, I can tell you want to be my friend. You want me to friend you? I see in your eyes.
Are you Chinese? Cause you sound like Chinese or Japanese, so just shut up.
I take you.
Or you might be Korean, so just shut up.
No, don't.
Oh my god, you shut
I
up.
want a double cheeseburger with ketchup and pickles and fries.
Oh my
and
god,
some
we have
lettuce.
freaking Eminem in here. We have an Eminem rapper in here. Oh my god. Listen to him rap.
Who does that?
Oh.
Who does that? That's murderous.
Yeah. Let me give you a sexy beat. I'm gonna beatbox.
Hey, Toxic!
Stop screaming! God, you're annoying!
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me, Toxic? Can you hear me?
Kid, we're
No,
not
no, no.
deaf! Shut
Toxic,
up!
can you hear me?
Green Eagle. Green Eagle. I'm sorry.
Toxic, can you hear me? Toxic! Can you hear me, Toxic?
Green Eagle. I'm
Toxic!
so sorry. My friend,
Can you hear me? Oh my god!
Shorty making
Can
up
you
numbers.
talk in a normal voice?
Toxic! Toxic, can you hear me?
Hey.
Choose your destiny. Don't make me laugh.